I uh, I need to explain thing, which also you guys should know that. Like video filtering, we cannot do the video filtering, but we done this IPS file. SL inspection will do the discussion. Application signature will do the discussion. Means any application signature, like you have that much application signature. Means well-known application, whatever the application like Facebook, Google, whatever you want to going to search, the all signature is going to available here, and IPS signature also. So these signatures keep going to updated always, and based on that signature, firewall is going to identify what is going to process through your firewall, and based on that firewall policy, it is going to take some action. So this IPS signature and application signature are available here, which we discussed IPS one yesterday. Like similar kind of graph is going to come out here. But we have to understand one thing is a video filtering. Okay, why it's not working? Let me check. Admin. I have to start this firewall, guys. It's hanging. Just give me 1 minute. Let me start this firewall. So let me see. So show system info 154. Let me log in it here. Okay, so I'll just log in it here again. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I was talking about like we have to go in the security policy and we have the video filtering as well, because we understand each and everything except SL inspection. I'll discuss that. So what is the video filtering, guys? So video filtering is nothing like, suppose we cannot test this. I want to apply this video filtering, right? So based on this video filtering, you can see again we have the FortiGate criteria. So any like gaming video you want to filter, somebody is watching to game, you want to filter, you can block the gaming video. You want to block the lifestyle video, you can block. If you want to block the any news video, you can block that. So we have the option to block the video. The real-time firewall is going to understand your videos even. They might be in a different source, and based on the video, not the URL, not the application, not any kind of the other DNS search, even whatever the content is playing, data is coming based on that, they will understand. And you want to block the sports. So based on that, they come and they are just going to block everything. Let's suppose you want to override some kind of the any like channels, right? YouTube channel, you want to put the ID, YouTube channel ID. Let's suppose, let me go here and I want to block everything, but I want to just allow my YouTube channel ID. So how can I put that? I can just go here and I can just copy it, and let me try to see. I can put the ID. So it will allow, it will block. So this is how I can even allow and block my YouTube channels. So any YouTube channel you want to block, this channel is going to be over it. This is going to work. Rest is going to block, right? So let me, okay. So let's suppose I want to block this YouTube channel. I don't think it is going to work, but let me block it. So right now you can see this all video is working. If I'm playing anything in my YouTube channel, so you see this video is playing. let me try to run this one. Okay, so this is like one of the video, it is playing, right? But here I just block it, my YouTube channel also. So I can apply this policy. So before I can go, let me go in this PC, user PC, and try to open my YouTube.
Vai ter o fone, foi registrar com isso. Toda vez.
Mawakina.
Mesmo shoes.
Hello, Mawakina.
Yeah, sorry.
No problem, no problem. Understand completely. So let me just DNS filtering, I remove it, okay? And I'll show you how this YouTube is working. So you can see YouTube is working here. Let me go here again. YouTube. So YouTube is working. I'll go to channel, Gwinnett channel, and probably will see that. So if I'm going to open this channel, and if I just go and see this video is playing, right? Not blocking anything. If I play any video, it is going to work. So see, this video is playing right now. So what I can do that, I'm just created the video, right? And the video profile I created here. And based on this video filtering, I have just blocked some game-based video, lifestyle-based video, news. I just block any kind of sports video. All I block it, right? And also I block my YouTube channel as well. Okay. So I'll go here and I'll go in the policy, security policy, and then my LAN to WAN policy. We don't have here the video filtering profile, right? So you might be worrying why this video filtering profile is not coming. So I just purposefully showing this, why it is happening and why this video profile is not coming, because firewall have two modes, right? And one is mode is the profile base and one is the policy base. So FortiGate firewall have two modes. One is the profile base and one is the policy base. So that you also have to understand. Profile based and policy based. So right now, whatever we are doing the discussion, that is the based on the profile, and we should not use it. Most important. So might be you guys start shouting, sir, why you waste our time if it is not going to use that? So for the learning, you should know each and everything. So now, till now, we have done the learning based on the profile based. Now we are going to turn our firewall in the policy base. So in profile base, you can see here, it's a traditional mode of the firewall where you can do some kind of the filtering based on the layer 3 and layer 4, and you can just apply some kind of the other features to make this firewall as a next generation firewall. But it is just working as a traditional mode, like packet by packet checks is going to be happen. But if you are going to do the policy based mode, then you firewall is going to work as a like next generation firewall completely. And you don't have to do every time profile to create policy based mode. Central NAT is going to be enabled. You don't have to do the NAT policy creation for every profile. So if I'm going to create the profile mode firewall, so whatever the policy I'm going to create, that policy is always going to require the NAT configuration. Means any policy I'm going to get NAT is going to require, I need to apply the profile and all. Every time I have to do that. So that's kind of the lot of job I have to do that. Still I can do all the things. Even some feature is not visible. So that's why policy based firewall is going to give the lot of insight, lot of feature, your save time is going to be happen. And based on that, you can just do the manipulation, lot of things based on their content filtering and the NAT level. NAT also you have to do the central NAT. So let me first convert how the firewall is going to convert it from profile mode to the policy mode. So you have to know profile mode and policy mode both. So let me go and convert it. It's very easy. You have to go in the system and you have to go in the administrations, sorry, settings, and you just go down And here you see this ngw mode is the right now profile base. So we just have to convert in the policy base mode. Once we do that, whatever configuration we have done till now, that will be gone. Means my PC will lose the internet access. Trust me. Means my security policy will be gone. Let me show you. So one side profile base, you can see central NAT we can enable still. But policy based central NAT is not coming. It we have to do that manually, right? Again. So I just apply, it is giving the warning. Changing the policy based mode will remove the all policies and central NAT will be enabled. So by default, central NAT will going to enable. Do you want to continue? So my NAT policy, everything will be out from the firewall. Let me show you. So now you see that my policy has been enabled, but means the firewall mode is the policy based mode. But if I'm going in the policy, see my policy has been gone. This PC now cannot access anything right now. Even you want to try to access the internet, this is not going to work for me. So because I changed the profile mode to policy mode. So what I have to do that I have to create again a policy and see right now NAT is gone from here. NAT has been gone from here. So let me enable like trust to untrust policy, and interface is definitely going to LAN. It is going to WAN. Source definitely you just put this your trust subnet. Same thing. Destination is going to be let put all. Services all. Application you put all. So you want to allow any specific application that you can put it. So I want to allow all application. How can I put all application? But it's not showing here. Let me allow general internet. It is going to allow everything, right? So general internet, I allow it. URL category, I can, or what I can do that, I just leave it blank for time being, leave it anything, except I just leaving anything. I'm not going to put anything. So by default, everything is going to allow. Here you can see we just have the antivirus, web filtering, IPS, file filtering, nothing else, and logs, all session we created, enable policy. But we don't have the NAT, video filtering, nothing is here, right? Eval category action deny, NAT is also not here. So if I create this policy, even my this PC will not access the internet because we don't have the NAT, right? So how it is going to happen? So you can see we have the central NAT enable here. So once we create this policy, we have the central NAT. So I can go here and create my central NAT. And I just define that if any traffic is coming from LAN, going to the WAN, I'm going to do the source NAT. Source address is supports, it's coming from this particular trust subnet. Destination address, it's going to the all. What NAT I want to do that? So again, I want to do the NAT. And this time this NAT is going to apply for the all policies. Okay, it is going to apply for the all policy. So I use the outgoing interface. What is my outgoing interface? This is my outgoing interface. Just do the NAT for any traffic. And I click. Okay, so my NAT has been created. Now you will see that this PC might be start getting to the internet access. Let me see. I believe something missing in the policy. Let me see first gateway is reachable or not. 1610.1. It's reachable. So ping 8.8.8. Let me see here. So NAT, I believe I have configured correctly. NAT, LAN port, WAN port, outgoing interface, port 1, right? It's correct. Source address all, source NAT, outgoing interface, right? Any, the NAT is fine. Let me check the policy. Why it is not understanding the policy? Services, app default, schedule always, destination all, Application category, let me allow the general internet. Category general internet. Let me see here. We have the ICMP. So let me allow the ICMP because I want to ping as well. URL category. I don't get any URL category basically. Protocol option default. Let me see that. So it's working, guys. So let me see. It was working earlier, or let me delete these all. Wait. Let me see. So let me check again. So it's working, guys. So there was no, I believe there was some issue. It take time, but you can see right now the traffic is processing as default. So we just allow not selected any application, and still my traffic is getting NAT and traffic is processing from the firewall, right? So this is here, I have the central NAT. So if I'm going to create new policy again, let's suppose from this PC to any policy, I don't have to do the NAT again from this policy. It will take automatically from this policy, and NAT is going to be happen without any problem. So this is how your central NAT is going to be come in a picture. Now your security policy is also defined it here. You can see here. Now here we don't have any video filtering. So again, we go for the security profile. You can see we have just this kind of the intrusion prevention. We have the file transfer, but again, not have the video filtering here. So if I go here in the application services and SL inspections, we not have that video filtering of. So let me see that where it is gone, which section it is going to come. File filtering, you can do that. Settings. There are some option. I have to check that where it's gone. FortiGuard feature visibility. Yeah, filtering. So we have the FortiGuard machine, antivirus, web filtering, licensing, not supported, feature visibility, video filtering on, live video filtering, firewall policy. Where it is gone. Come on. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Let me change back to the again. Let me go again back to this particular mode. Profile mode, right? Should be there. I believe I'm missing something. But again, I'm going in the security file and we have the video filtering. We created the video filtering, right? It's showing there. And I believe the feature is not available. Let me see. This is the only reason. Okay, video FortiGate Firewall. FortiGate Firewall video filtering configuration. Let me show you documentation. So let me understand how it is going to be look like. So you can go and click this. The same thing we have done, right? We created the channel, we block the channel, and we create this policy. And CLI, we change the proxy base. Okay, sorry. Okay. Let me change inspection mode as well. Okay, so Inspection mode. Okay, let me just go in the FortiGate firewall. Let me go in the firewall policy. See, so actually this video is the more advanced feature, right? So if I want to use this video filtering, so let me show you in the normal scenario also. So let me use the policy here. Sorry for the confusion. Actually, I just missed this point. So I was just searching in the different section. Policy from LAN to WAN. Being instructor also sometime we confused. Lot of thing to remember. So let me just do in this section. We'll do another section as well. So right now, any source, or might be I can put this trust subnet. Okay. Destination is going to be all, right? Services is all. Now you use this NAT, definitely we enable it. And here we enable the video filtering. Okay. So this all we cover, only video is not coming because we discuss proxy based, it is going to do the more checks. So video check is going to happen and then we apply the video filtering. So video filtering profile, let me check what we created the profile. We created something. So my profile is not showing. Let me create it again. All is deleted. So let me first check whether this PC have the internet access. It will definitely come the internet access. Let me just go and create the video profile. So security video profile, I can create again here. Block video. I can just go here and just select the games, news, sports, and here we just pasted the channels, right? Blog, okay, right? This firewall is not have the still internet access. Why? Okay, so let me see. We created the policy. Let me go on the policy again. LAN to WAN. The traffic is not correctly configured here. That's why it's not working. So let me configure. Should work. Yeah, now it's working, right? So now we configure the video, and before video configure, you can see this video must be working, but we'll apply it in the policy. So see, this is working the video, and we'll check whether this firewall is able to identify video or not. So I will go in this particular section. I'll go here again and apply the video filtering. And here I'll go and block video. Click OK. So it is showing that deep inspection must be enabled. So it is going to only work if I enable the deep inspection. And what is that SL inspection? We'll see that. So now deep inspection, for that we require the certificate. And what is the SSL inspection? We'll discuss in tomorrow class. Okay. But you have to make sure to understand the video. You have to enable the DPI, deep packet inspection, then only it is going to enable. But right now it is not going to work because certificate is not available in the PC. But let me try it. What is happening here? So let me check whether the Google is working or not. So Google is working. But even I try to access this video, let me use something else. This is another video, right? Let me play it. So it is not opening, but only it is going to prove if my log is showing something. Main thread. It's okay. Forward traffic. So you can see accepted. Let me check it. But video is not playing, right? You can see this video is not playing. So what is happening here? Even the local traffic. And normally we don't have anything. Log settings. Action allow. So guys, we not able to see the logs, right? But you see that if I'm trying to play the video, it is not working from my channel, which is blocked. Let me try some other channels. So let me try some other channel. Let's suppose I want to run this video. So I believe it's blocking for the everything. Nothing is working, guys. It's blocking for the everything. So no worry, what we can do that, at least we understand how the video is going to blocking. But one more thing you have to understand now, what is a deep packet inspection, what is SSL inspection. So we left with the one topic from this particular chapter, that is the SSL inspection. In this section, you will see the deep inspection also. So read deep inspection, no inspection, and what is SSL inspection we have to discuss tomorrow, and we'll apply it again. I know it is not going to work 100% because video filtering required the again full DPI, and that's why you can say you are not able to see anything which is working for the video, right? So, but at least you should know how the video filtering is going to be applied. Clear? Can we continue here from tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay, let's continue here from tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night.